Hello everyone, welcome back to LEXI'S world. So I'm going to use the curly romaine. Okay. I'm just going to use one bunch of this, and I'm going to be making a salad. Of course it's going to be a healthy salad, and I know it's Thanksgiving and everything, so I use one cucumber. So this could also be a side dish on your Thanksgiving table, alright? So I'm going to use 2 avocados. Alright, and I'm going to make a nice tray. I have corn, and what I did, I have 2 cans of white tuna here. I drained it already. Here is my tomatoes. I used the grape tomatoes, alright? I'm going to use some eggs. I'm gonna make a homemade dressing, and I'll put a bit of cheese and stuff and make a nice platter. Alright, so let's get started. But before we get started, please do not forget to please like, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much. So basically I'm just gonna drain the corn and leave it here. I'm gonna wash it off, and this, of course, I've said, it's a healthy meal again. Alright, I'm just gonna wash it off. So I have my romaine. I'm gonna leave the bottom like this because I wanted to decorate the tray, alright? I put the big part at the bottom. So this is, of course, a Thanksgiving idea if you want. I'm not gonna do any turkey or anything, but everybody's looking for side dish for salads, alright? So I have my cucumber here. I'm just gonna cut up my cucumber. I'm gonna start with my salad, alright? So what I did with the, basically what I did, the bigger parts of this, I'm just gonna baste it. And now I'm just gonna put everything in. I'll start with my corn. So I put the can of corn here. Alright, so I'm gonna do the eggs now. I have 4 eggs. I may need more, but I'm not sure. So with the eggs done, I'm gonna use, let's use some of the cherry tomatoes, the grape tomatoes I'm using, alright? So, as you can see, my tomatoes is my grape tomatoes. And then I'm gonna start with, let me put some cucumbers now. So I have the tuna now. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of lime on the tuna. So I use white tuna, alright? I use some sunflower seeds there. I'm gonna add cranberries. So I left an empty space here, but there's a reason. Alright? So because it's Thanksgiving, right? Everybody's gonna be looking for cranberry. So what I did instead, there's this guy that sells, it's called Wes Jam. I'm gonna get his information and I'll put it up on there. So he make jams. So I use this sorrel ginger to make on this one. So like if you really read the ingredients, everything is like zero, right? That's what I like about this jam. All right, it have nothing added. Everything is just really healthy. So for Thanksgiving, there's different flavors I'll get into about it too. Basically, it's like to me, one of the healthy ones that I found. All right. So this one is sorrel ginger. Instead of using cranberry with all the sugar and everything, you should make one with cranberries actually. But I think there's like 4 flavors, so I put some of that there, so you still have that sweet to replace the cranberry. All right. So I'll put his information on my next video. All right. And then, of course, Hemp Hearts. All right. So we'll put a bit of Hemp Hearts. So I didn't use the whole cucumber. I left a little bit. All right. So here's my salad. High protein salad, of course. You have your eggs and you have your tuna, avocado. So it's like a high protein salad, all right? So this is good for your Thanksgiving table. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make a dressing, all right? So I'm gonna do a dressing. I was going to use, I use a 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil because I wanted it to be really light, all right? So you see I put my 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil in there. I'm going to use some of that. So what I did, I used half of a lemon, so about 3 tablespoons, and I used fresh lemon. So basically I just cut the lemon and I used half of it. All right. So I have maple syrup because it's lighter than the honey. I'm going to use the maple syrup today. I use 3 tablespoons, alright? So I use a teaspoon actually of Dijon mustard. I put a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. This is my salad. I'm gonna just shake it because of the mustard. Alright, so here's my meal. Of course, it's a high protein salad with your cucumbers. I have the sorrel ginger jam. It's like really healthy. You can put more if you want, but I'll give you guys all the information on his website and everything. All right, I have my cranberries, of course, because it's Thanksgiving, you need a little bit of cranberries. I have corn, my lettuce, I have eggs, I have the grape tomatoes, cucumbers, I have white tuna in water, not oil, and then of course more of the grape tomatoes, and I put some avocado. Of course, I love avocado. Before you put your avocado, make sure to squeeze a little bit of lemon on it so it would keep the color. All right, I use my nuts here. All right, so everything is all in here. I was gonna use something creamy, but I feel like this would be really nice for for the Thanksgiving table. So here's everything. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to please like, share, and subscribe on my channel. And happy Thanksgiving, everyone.